In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix number keys not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. Now, this issue can be very frustrating, especially when you rely on the number keys daily. Let's go ahead and fix it. On your PC, go ahead and click on this little search bar at the very bottom of your screen and type in settings. Go ahead and hit enter. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. In this little sidebar, scroll down until you see this accessibility option. Go ahead and click on it. Scroll down even more on this section until you find the mouse option and go ahead and select mouse. What you're going to want to do here is actually just make sure that mouse keys right here is turned off. This can interfere with the number pad and make it so it doesn't work. Once that's done, go back to the search bar down at the bottom and type in this time on screen keyboard. It should automatically pop up as you start typing it in, but open it up once you do get it. On this on screen keyboard, go ahead and click the options in the bottom right corner. And from here, it's going to pull up this little page here. I'm going to go ahead and minimize the other settings from earlier so this is easier to see. But on this page right here, what you're going to want to do is simply just make sure that the numeric keypad is turned on. So essentially, go ahead and take this on just like so, and then hit OK. Press the number lock option on the on-screen keyboard to actually activate this keyboard. As you can see, it pops up right here. Now test your number keys on your actual keyboard. As you can see, I'm typing in right now, and it's working perfectly. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. We'd be happy to help you out. But before you leave this video, make sure to like it and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.